Welcome to the unboxing of iPhone 14. So this is the box. iPhone 14 front has the picture, color is not shown. Behind are the specifications, although I don't see the color or the storage option. Here are some billing information. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. So you need to pull these two tabs. It's pretty clear. So nothing here. This is the back part of the phone. Two cameras, primary cameras, wide angle and telephoto, flash, microphone, no LIDAR sensor. This is the front. We have some paperwork including stickers and just a cable, no charger, earphones provided. So these are the sides. The back catches fingerprint very prominently. You can see the fingerprints. So let's peel it off. And there you have it. iPhone 14 space gray or black color. Thanks for watching.